So the first one mistake is the power is on the hand, including fighting you. Only lightly give you a feeling. Now you're engaging.
Right.
And then when I push, the power is here. This is also a mistake. Now I relax it. Relax it. The power is only from here, jumping over here. Causes the feeling is a stretch. Anything other than that is not a stretch. You feel this now, you feel that now.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Two hands. Push a little bit. Mm-hmm. That's the power. Now I resist with here to catch your attention. This is to test you. The real move comes from here. Feel that. Mm-hmm. This time only bending here. You feel that power?
Yeah.
It goes to the hand. And if you relax, you just back off, no problem. Yeah. If you fight it, you have to jump. Right. Jimmy, you want to come over here? Put one finger here, one finger here. Ran, go behind. One finger here, here. So this is wrong, but this is not wrong, just to fill it up. And this is of course wrong. This is wrong. Now this is here, this is here. I'm only aiming from here to here, but it's not really a move, it's a stretch towards it. Feel that now? At that point, I put everything here. You see that? That here? The power is how long I can penetrate. If it's here, I line up. Equal power, very strong. But because we're far, it's the same as I put a stick in between the two of you. If you hold it, there is no problem. But the power is as much as if you walk towards each other, you break your back. The stick will go through your chest. But you don't have to, but the power is produced. It's this kind of power. Now you see, all our moves are like that. So you grab me, you see. Yeah, I can do it this way here, this one here, or I can go, can you see this here? Right. At the beginning it's here. Then later on, it's all here. Yeah, it can be here. It comes out of there. Any questions? It means, basically it means the two ends are locked. You stretch the middle to cause the two ends to be very strong. And the absolute middle is here. It's very difficult. It should come out of here. If it comes out of here, the power is unimaginable. Comes out of here, you are being, this is technical, it's a trick. It's not basic. Basic, real fundamental power has to come out of a joint.